Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Dr. Mike, here with Afro Asia Natural Health Tips. I'm excited to be partnering with Afro Asia to bring you guys some awesome information on how to live healthier lives. And today we're talking about one of my favorite superfoods, blueberries. These little berries pack a serious nutritional punch, and we're going to dive deep into all the amazing benefits they offer for your brain, your heart, and your overall health. We'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand so you can make those healthy choices part of your daily routine. Whether you're a blueberry enthusiast or just looking to add more nutrient-rich foods to your diet, this video is for you. And hey, while you're at it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future health tips. Now, let's talk blueberries. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about what makes blueberries so good for you. They're like tiny treasure chests of nutrition. First off, they're super low in calories, which is always a win. But don't let their size fool you, because they're loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about a good dose of vitamin C to boost your immune system, vitamin K for healthy blood clotting, and fiber to keep your digestion running smoothly. But the real stars of the show are the antioxidants. Blueberries are bursting with these powerful compounds that help protect your cells from damage. Think of antioxidants like little bodyguards fighting off harmful free radicals. And trust me, you want those bodyguards on your side. One of the most notable antioxidants in blueberries is a group called anthocyanins. These are what give blueberries their vibrant blue color, and they have some pretty amazing health benefits, especially when it comes to your brain and heart. So we've got vitamins, fiber, and a whole lot of antioxidants. It's no wonder blueberries are often called a superfood. Now that we know what we're working with, let's break down the specific health benefits of these awesome little berries. Okay, let's talk about the brain-boosting power of blueberries. These little guys are like a workout for your brain, helping to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. How do they do it? Well, blueberries contain special compounds that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. That means they can directly impact your brain cells and protect them from damage. Remember those anthocyanins we talked about? They play a key role in improving communication between brain cells, which is essential for learning and memory. Studies have shown that regularly consuming blueberries can enhance memory recall, improve attention span, and even delay age-related cognitive decline. So whether you're a student cramming for exams, a professional trying to stay sharp, or just want to keep your mind in tip-top shape as you age, blueberries are your new best friend. And the best part, you don't need a prescription for these brain-boosting benefits. Just incorporate them into your diet and let them work their magic. Now, let's move on to another vital organ that benefits greatly from blueberries, your heart. Heart disease is a major concern for many people, but the good news is that making healthy choices like incorporating blueberries into your diet can make a big difference. Blueberries are like little heart heroes, working hard to keep your ticker strong and healthy. One of the ways they do this is by helping to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure puts a lot of stress on your arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Blueberries have been shown to naturally relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. They also help improve the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels. This lining plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure and preventing blood clots. And let's not forget about those amazing antioxidants again. They help protect your heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. So, by adding blueberries to your diet, you're giving your heart a powerful dose of protection and support. We've talked a lot about antioxidants, but they're so important that they deserve their own section. Remember, antioxidants are your cell's defense system against free radical damage. Think of free radicals as unstable molecules that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. They're kind of like rust that can build up in your body over time. Now, blueberries are loaded with various antioxidants, including those powerful anthocyanins, vitamin C, and vitamin E. These antioxidants work together to neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and reducing inflammation throughout your body. This protective effect is not limited to your brain and heart. It benefits your entire body inside and out. By reducing inflammation, blueberries may also help lower the risk of other chronic conditions like arthritis, certain types of cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. So, it's safe to say that blueberries are a true superfood when it comes to fighting free radicals and protecting your body from damage. All right, now that you know all about the amazing health benefits of blueberries, you're probably wondering how to incorporate more of these little gems into your diet. Well, the good news is that blueberries are incredibly versatile and easy to enjoy. One of the simplest ways is to enjoy them fresh. Rinse them off and toss them into your breakfast cereal, yogurt or oatmeal for a nutritious and delicious start to your day. Blueberries also make a fantastic addition to smoothies. They add a boost of flavor, sweetness and a gorgeous purple hue to your morning blend. And if you're looking for a healthy and refreshing snack, you can't go wrong with a handful of blueberries. They're naturally sweet and satisfying, making them a great alternative to processed snacks. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Get creative in the kitchen and use blueberries in your baking. They're delicious in muffins, pancakes, pies, and even savory dishes like salads. You can also try freezing blueberries for a cool and refreshing treat, or blend them into homemade popsicles. The possibilities are endless. No matter how you choose to enjoy them, blueberries are a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake and reap all their incredible health benefits. So there you have it, folks. The incredible blueberry, a tiny fruit with a giant impact on your health. From boosting your brain power to protecting your heart and fighting off those pesky free radicals, blueberries are a true superfood that everyone can benefit from. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Simple changes like adding more fruits and vegetables, especially powerhouses like blueberries, can make a world of difference. I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing benefits of blueberries. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit from these natural health tips. Make sure to subscribe to Afro Asia Natural Health Tips for more videos on how to stay healthy naturally. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those blueberries rolling.